Dear students, welcome to IACE. Today's our discussion SSC CHSL 26th October జరిగినటువంటి 2020 లో 26th October జరిగినటువంటి Shift 1 Quantitative Aptitude Explanation. So first question, a reduction of 20% in the price of a sugar enables a purchaser to obtain 4 kg more for 160 rupees. Then find the original price of the sugar per kg. So before going to find out the original price, first of all we need to find out new price. So what is new price? Change in price to change in quantity. అంటే ప్రైస్లో ఎంతైతే మార్పు వస్తుందో క్వాంటిటీలో కూడా అంతే మార్పు వస్తుంది. సో చేంజ్ ఇన్ ప్రైస్ బై చేంజ్ ఇన్ క్వాంటిటీ. వాట్ ఈజ్ చేంజ్? either increase or decrease. Here 20% reduction is there. 20% of 160. 20% of 160 is nothing but 32 rupees. Due to that 32 rupees you are getting 4 kg extra. 32 rupees ki 4 kg extra వస్తుంది. So 32 by 4 is nothing but 8 rupees. New price is equal to 8 rupees. So they are asking original price. New price అంటే ఏంటి? 20% reduction అయిన తర్వాత 8 rupees. 20% reduction is nothing but the remaining should be 80%. 80% is nothing but 8 rupees. Then 100% is nothing but what? 80% 8 rupees. Then 100% is 10 rupees. Therefore, original price is what? 10 rupees. Original price is what? 10 rupees. Option B is the right answer. Once again I am explaining here. So new price. First of all, try to find out new price. So new price is nothing but change in price by change in quantity. So change in price 20% of 160. 20% of 160. 20% of 160 is nothing but change in price. So 20% of 160 by change in quantity is what? Change in quantity is 4. 20% of 160 is 32. 32 by 4 అంటే ఆ 32 రూపీస్కి 4 kg ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చాయంటే that should be what? 8 rupees. New price is 8 rupees. After reducing 20%, new price is 80%. So 80% of CP is nothing but 80% of original price is nothing but 8 rupees. Then 100% of CP is what? 100% of CP is what? So 0 get cancelled. 8 ones are 8, 10 ones are 10. So your answer is what? So 10 ones are 10. So your answer is what? 10 rupees. So in the exam point of view, no need to write all these things. In the exam point of view, we are going to attack directly. Next question. The value of this simplification. Simplification అడుగున్నారండి. దీని యొక్క వాల్యూ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ బ్రాకెట్స్లో ఉన్నది ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. 5 1/10. సో 5 1/10 సింప్లీ వీ కెన్ రిటర్న్ యాజ్, సో వాట్ అమ్మా, 55 56 by 51/10. 51/10. సో 10 5s as 50, 50 plus 1 51, 51/10. So 2 1/5 you can written as 11/5. 11/5. Summation they are asking. 10 to 5 LCM is what? 10. So 51 plus 22. 51 plus 22 73. So 73 by 10. 73 by 10. Okay, 73 by 10. Now, so 2 1/36. 36 2s are 72. 72 plus 1 73. 73 by 36. First we have to give the preference to half. So 5/9 into 5/9 into, so 5/9 into 73 by 10. So 5/9 into 73 by 10. So don't multiply and just keep right like this. Okay Rama, 5/9 into 73 by 9. So division ని multiplication గా రాస్తున్నానండి. డివిజన్ సింబల్ ని multiplication గా రాస్తున్నాను. ఉల్టా చేయండి దాన్ని. ఉల్టా చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందండి? 90 by 5 into 73. 5 into 73. Plus 2/5 in 2/5. So 3 1/5 is nothing but 16/5. 16/5. Division and multiplication రాస్తున్నాను, ఉల్టా రాయండి. 5/16. 5/16. Now simplify. 73 get cancelled. So 9 4s are. So 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So finally we will get 1/2 here. 5 get cancelled. 2 8s are, 1/8. 1/2 plus 1/8. LCM is 8. 2 4s are, 8 1s are, 5/8. So your answer is what? 5/8. Option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. A train takes 45 minutes to cover a certain distance at a speed of 80 km/h. If the speed is increased by 125%, then how long will it take to cover 8/5 of the same distance? So in 45 minutes, first of all, how much distance they travel with the help of 80 km/h? So 45 minutes is nothing but 3/4 of the hour. 3/4 of 80 is nothing but 60 kilometers. Distance is 60. Distance we need, so distance is 60. So in that distance we need to cover 8/5. 8 by 5 of 60. 5 ones are 5 12s are 12 8s are 96. We need to cover 96 kilometers. So speed is increases by 125%. Original speed is 80, increases by 125%. So 125% of 80, 100% is nothing but 80. So 25% is nothing but 20. 20 plus 80 100, increases by 100. 100 plus 80 180. Speed is 180. So speed is 180. We need to cover. So how many kilometers? 96 kilometers. How many kilometers? 96 kilometers. With the help of 180 kilometers, we need to cover 96 kilometers. 96 by 180 in terms of minutes. In terms of minutes by 60. 61 hours, 63 times, 332 times. Your answer is what? 32 minutes. Option A is the right answer. Once again, I will explain. So 45 minutes, 80 kilometers. 45 minutes, 80 kilometers. So 80 into 45 minutes is nothing but 3 by 4. 45 minutes is nothing but 3 by 4th of the hour. So distance is what? 60. Distance is what? 60. Now my target is 8 by 5th of distance. 8 by 5th of the distance. 8 by 5th of 60. This distance we need to cover with the help of. So original speed is 80 km per hour. It is increased by 125%. It is increased by 125%. 125% of 80. 125% of 80 is nothing but 100. The new speed is 180. New speed is what? 180. 125% of 80. 80% of 80% of 125. That should be 100 only. 100 plus 80, 180. New speed is 180. New speed is what? 180. So if you observe carefully here, 5 ones are 5 12s are 12 8s are 96. 96 by 180. That should be less than 1 hour. So less than 1 hour, try to convert them into minutes by 60. 60 ones are, so 63 times. So 3 ones are 3 4s are 4 8s are 32. 32 minutes. So your answer is what? 32 minutes. So it will take 32 minutes. Option A is the right answer. Two numbers A and B are respectively 80%, 20% more than third number. So the ratio of the numbers A to B is what? The first two numbers are depends upon third number. I don't know third number. I assume as 100. If third number is 100, first number is 180, 80% more. Second number is 20% more. Second number is 120. So 80% more 180, 20% more 120, 180 is to 120, 180 is to 120, 63 are 62 hours. Your answer is 3 is to 2. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. So the exam point of view direct attack cheyalandi. So meeku ardham kavam kosam meeku kavalante malla ikkada rasanu chudandi. So first two numbers are depends upon third number. First two numbers are depends upon third number. Third number here I assume as 100. First number is 80% more. 80% more is nothing but first number is 180. Second number is 20% more. 20% more is nothing but 120. They're asking first to second number ratio. 63s are 62s are. Your answer is what? 3 is to 2. Option A is the right answer. A and B can do a work in 15 days, 10 days respectively. They begin the work together, but B leaves after 2 days. Now A completes the remaining work. The total number of days needed for the complete the work is how many days? So first of all, I will explain orally. 15 to 10. First of all, we need to find out total work. 15, 10 LCM is what? 30. Total work is 30. Therefore, A's one day work is 2, B's one day work is 3. A's one day work is 2, B's one day work is 3. So they together started the work. B leaves after 2 days. After 2 days is nothing but first 2 days work together na. So 1 day work is what? Together 1 day work is 5 units. 2 days work is nothing but 10 units. 10 units completed. Remaining is 20 units. Who leaves? B leaves. The remaining work is done by whom? A. A's efficiency is what? 2 units. A's efficiency is 2 units. Remaining work is 20. It will take 10 days. They are asking total 10 plus 2, 12. Your answer is 12 days. Option C is the right answer. Exam point of view direct attack cheyalandi. So A alone 15 days. So B alone 10 days. B alone 10 days. First of all, our target is to find out total work. Total work is nothing but 30. 15, 10. LCM is 30. Okay, Nandi. So 15 2 times, 10 3 times. So who started the work? Together started the work. A and B together started the work. So together 1 day, how much completed? 5 units completed. Like that, how many days? 2 days. 2 days is nothing but 10 units completed. 10 units completed. Who leaves the work? A, B leaves the work. Who are in the work? A. So remaining work is what? 20. Out of 30, 10 units gone. Remaining is 20. So this 20 ఎవరు చేయాలి? ఈ 20 ఎవరు చేయాలి? ఏ చేయాలి. ఏ 1 డేలో ఎంత చేయగలడు? 2 చేయగలడు. అంటే 10 డేస్ పడుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 10 డేస్, ఇక్కడ 2 డేస్. సో మొత్తం ఎన్ని డేస్ అండి? 12 డేస్. సో యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ వాట్? 12 డేస్. సో ఆప్షన్ సి is the right answer. An article is sold at a profit of 30%. If both cost price and selling price of the articles are decreased by 100 rupees, The profit now would be 45%. The original cost price of the article is what? So original cost price of the article is what? Here I don't know original cost price. Okay, now simply here I assume as X. Original CP is X. Original CP is X. So selling at 30% profit. Therefore original SP is what? 30% of X is nothing but, that should be 130% of X, that is nothing but 1.3x. Cost price is X, selling price is 1.3x. Both are decreased by 100. Both are decreased by 100. So cost price is decreased by 100. Selling price is also decreased by 100. Selling price is also decreased by 100. The selling price is also decreased by 100. Now the profit would be 45%. Profit would be 45% is nothing but, that should be 1.45. 45% profit is nothing but 1.45. So 45% profit is nothing but 145%. 145% is nothing but 1.45. So now I need to find out X. Here 1.45x, here 1.3x. Difference is what? 0.15x. Here 145, here 100. Difference is what? 45. 0.15x is equal to 100. So 145. So 45. 0.15x is equal to 45. 0.15 1 are 0.15, 300 times 45. Therefore X is equal to what? 300. X is equal to what? 300. X is equal to what? 300. So X is nothing but original cost price. Original cost price is what? Option C. Option C is the right answer. So 1.45x, 1.3x. Difference is 0.15x. So here 1.45 into 100, 145. Here it is 100. This 145 comes to this side, plus 145. Plus 145 minus 100, 45. 0.15x is equal to 45. 0.15, 300 times. So 45. 0.15. So forget that about zeros, points. 15 3 times 45. 2 zeros are there, 2 decimals are there. Keep 2 zeros here. Therefore X is equal to what? 300. So your option is what? Option C. So here they given bar graph. Here they given bar graph. So in this one, what they given? So the production in terms of thousands of electrical items, TV and LCDs in a factory from 2011 to 2015. In terms of thousands, okay. The first question, the ratio of the total production of LCDs in the year 2012 and 2014. LCDs in the year 2012 and 2014. LCDs. So what are LCDs? Horizontal lines are LCDs, vertical lines are TVs. Horizontal lines are LCDs. So 2012 and 2014. 2012 LCDs. 2012. So 2012 it is what, amma? 2012 it is what? So here it is 8, 10, in between 8 and 10, I think 9, this is 9. So next here, 2014 LCDs, exactly 14. 14 plus 9, 23. So our answer start with the 23. So 23, this is what? 23. Now coming to total production of TVs in the year 2012 and 2014. So TVs is nothing but vertical lines, 12 and 14. So here it is what? 8. 12, 14 it is what? 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 23 is to 20. So your answer is what? 23 is to 20. Yes. Option A is the right answer. Next, 8th question they given pie chart. So here they given monthly expenditure. Whenever they given pie chart, that pie chart indicates 360 degrees in terms of degrees. In terms of percentage, 100%. So if you observe carefully here, so total expenditures they given in terms of degrees. Now see the questions. Depending upon the question, we are going to react. If the expenditure on education is 2,700 more than that of housing, then the total expenditure on food and clothing is what? So education is how many degrees? First of all, education is 75 degrees. Housing is what? Housing is 60 degrees. How many degrees more? 15 degrees more. In terms of degrees, 15 degrees more. In terms of rupees, 2,700 rupees more. In terms of rupees, 2,700 rupees more. They are asking 15 degrees is nothing but 2,700. Then they are asking total expenditure on food and clothing. So food is 125, clothing is 18. Together is what? 143. So 143. 15 degrees is 2,700. Then 143 degrees is how much? So in 15 table, how many times it goes? So 15, how many times it goes? 270. So 15, 18 times. 15, 180 times. So 1500 times 1500, 1580 times 1200, 1200 plus 1500, 2700. Exactly it goes 180 times. So 180 times of 143. 180 times of 143. So don't calculate manually. So here 0 is that, definitely our answer is end with 0. 3 8s is 24. Definitely our answer is end with 40. 14 18 times. 14, 18 times 252. And our answer is in terms of 252. In terms of 25, in terms of 25, in terms of 25, end with 40. End with 40, first of all, how many options are there? End with 40, how many options are there? 2 options are there. 18 into 14. 18 into 14, 250. 18 14 is 252. 18 10 times 180, 18 4 is 72, 72 plus 180, 252. So our answer is in terms of 25,000. In terms of 25,000, end with 40. Which option is there? Only one option is there. So 25,740. 25,740. Don't go for manual calculation. Don't go for manual calculation. 143 into 180. Don't do like that. So end with 40, 2 options are there. 18, 14 times 252. Our answer start with 25. Start with 25, end with 40. Only one option is there. Your answer is option D. Next question. If the compound interest on a certain sum of money for 2 years at 5% per annum is 328, then find the sum. Here I don't know principal. I assume as 100. Compound interest 5%. First year interest is 5. Second year interest is what? 5 plus 5% of 5. 5% of 5 is nothing but 0.25. 5 plus 5.25, 10.25. According to 100, 10.25. According to 100, 10.25. According to our problem, 328. So 10.25 is there, 328 is there, 328 is there. So 0.25 is there here. So 28 is there. 28 is there. It goes up exactly 32 times. 32 times of 100, 3200. So your answer is what? 3200. So option B is the right answer. Once again, don't worry. So here principal I don't know. I assume as 100. First year interest is 5%. 5% of 100, 5. First year compound interest is 5. What about second year compound interest? First year interest 2 plus interest on first year interest. 5% of 5. 5% of 5 is nothing but 0.25. So 0.25. This is 0.25. 5 plus 0.5, 5.25. Second year compound interest is 5.25. 5 plus 5.25, 10.25. Therefore 2 years compound interest is 10.25. According to 100, 10.25. But according to our problem, 328. Yes, 328. How many times it goes? Exactly that many times it goes. So 10 is there, 32 is there. So exactly 10 32 times 320. 32.25 times 0.25 times 32, 25 paisa 8 rupees. Exactly it goes 32 times. So 32 times of 100, 3200. 32 times of 100, 3200. Therefore your principal is 3200. Option B is the right answer. Here the same question, pie chart మనం ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ని మరో క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చున్నాడు ఈ పై చార్ట్ మీద. If the monthly income is 64,800, then yearly saving is what? First monthly saving ఎంత కనుక్కుందాం. into 12 చేస్తే మనకు yearly saving వస్తుంది. So total monthly income is 64,800. Total is nothing but 360 degrees. 360 degrees is nothing but how much అండి? 360 degrees is nothing but so 64,800. Saving is out of that one. Saving is 35 degrees. 35 degrees is how much? 35 degrees is how much? So how many times it goes to? That many times it goes. 0 0 get cancelled. So 36 ones are 36. Remainder is 48. 48. Remainder is 28. 288. It goes 8 times. It goes 180 times exactly. 36 180 times 6,480. So 35 into 180. 35 into 180. 35 2s are 70. 79s are 63. So 6,300. So monthly saving is 6,300. We need yearly saving into 12. 6,000 times 72,000. 300 times 3,600. 3,600 plus 72,000, 75,600. Your answer is what? 75,600. That is a monthly saving. So we need yearly into 12. 12 into 6,000, 72,000. 12 into 300, 3,600. 3,600 plus 72,000, 75,600. Your answer is what? Option A. An article is listed at 8,500 and the discount is offered is 12%. What additional discount so must be given to bring the selling price to 6,358? Original list price is nothing but marked price and list price is nothing but what? Marked price. So marked price is 8,500. First discount is 12%. 10% 850. 1% 85. 2% 170. 170 plus 850, 1,020. 10% is nothing but 850. 1% 85. 2% is 170. 170 plus 850, 1,020. If you subtract 1,000, 7,500. If you subtract 20, 7,480. So after giving one discount, The price is 7,480. So they are expecting second discount. After giving second discount, the final price is 6,358. 6,358. 6,358. So how much discount they are giving? First of all, calculate how much discount. After then you have to calculate percentage. First time, how much discount? So 480, 358. Difference is how much? 480, 358. So 122. Yes. Difference between 480 and 358, difference is 122. 7,000, 6,000, difference is 1,000. So we need 1122 discount. We need 1122 discount on 7,480. That 1122 is how much percentage on 7,480. So 10% is 748. 10% is 748. But our answer should be more than 10%. More than 10%. More than 10%. More than 10%. Don't calculate manually. 10% is 748. I need so more than 10. If you take 20%, 748 approximately, so 1,496. But our answer should be less than 20. More than 10, less than 20. Your answer is 15%. 10% is 748. So 5% is 349. So not 349. So 350, 700. So that is nothing but 24. 374. That should be 374, 748, 1122. Exactly 15%. Don't do manual calculation. So 10% is 748. Our answer should be more than 10. So if you take 20% is nothing but, so 1,496. Our answer should be less than 20, more than 10. Only one option is there. Your answer is option C. The total surface area of a solid cube is 2,400 square centimeters. So then find the volume of the cube. What is total surface area? 6a square. So 6a square is nothing but 2,400. 6 how many times? 400 times. A square is equal to 400. A is equal to 20. If A is equal to 20, what is the volume? A cube. A cube is nothing but 20 cube. 20 cube is nothing but 8,000. Your answer is what? 8,000. Option D is the right answer. Total surface area. Total surface area is nothing but 6a square. 6a square is nothing but 2,400. 6a square is nothing but 2,400. A square is equal to 400. A is equal to 20. A is equal to 20. If A is equal to 20, what is volume? Volume is nothing but A cube. A cube is nothing but 20 cube. 20 cube is nothing but 8,000. Your answer is what? Option D. Again, bar graph. This bar graph we already studied. So first of all, question. Read the question. The difference between the average production of LCDs and TVs from 2011 to 2013. 11 to 13. So average difference they are asking. LCDs ki. So TVs ki first LCDs total చూద్దాం. LCDs. This is what 7. This is what 7. Here it is what 9. 2011 to 13. Yes, 2011 to 13. So here it is what? So here it is 14. Yes, 14. 7 9. 16, 14. 16, 14, 30. First of all total find out చేద్దాం. దాని తర్వాత డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత యావరేజ్ తీద్దాం. ముందల్నే యావరేజ్ చేయొద్దు. సో టీవీస్ చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. టీవీస్ వర్టికల్ లైన్ అండి. 6, 8, 13. 6, 8, 13. ఎంతమ్మా? 14 + 13. 14 + 13 is nothing but so 27. ఓకేనా? 27. డిఫరెన్స్ చూద్దాం ఫస్ట్. డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంతమ్మా? 3. యావరేజ్ అంటే కదా బై 3 చేయాలి. బై 3 అంటే 1. సో యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ వాట్ 1. బట్ దే గివ్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ థౌజండ్స్. అంతేగాని 1 కాదు ఆన్సర్. ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ 1000 కాబట్టి 1000. యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ వాట్ 1000. మీరు ఇండివిజువల్గా యావరేజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి డిఫరెన్స్ చేసినా కూడా అదే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. 30/3, 10, 27/3, 9, 10 - 9, 3 అంటే 2 times యావరేజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసే దానికన్నా డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకొని ఫైనల్గా వచ్చిందని యావరేజ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది కదా. సో ఫైనల్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ వాట్ 1000. 40 is added to a list of natural numbers. The average is increased by 4. When 30 is added to the new list, the average of the numbers in the new list is increased by 1. So how many numbers are there in the original list? సో ఒకసారి మీరు చూస్తే ఒరిజినల్ లిస్ట్లో ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయో తెలియదండి. n నెంబర్స్ అనుకుంటున్నాను. వాళ్ళకి యావరేజ్ కూడా తెలియదండి. ఏ అనుకుంటున్నానండి. సో a into n. సో a is the average, n is the total number. ఒరిజినల్ లిస్ట్లో ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయో అనేది. సో a into n, average into number of terms is nothing but total. So this is total. For this total, one new number is added. That new number is what? 40. Then ఒరిజినల్ నెంబర్ n కాస్త ఏమవుతుంది? n+1 అవుతుంది. ఒక నెంబర్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది n+1. యావరేజ్ అనేది ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిందండి? 4 ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిందండి. యావరేజ్ ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిందండి? 4 ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. A+4. Further new list, for that new list 30 is added. 30 is added is nothing but NA plus 30 యాడ్ అవుతే ఏమవుతుందంటే 70 అవుతుంది. సో ఇంకొక నెంబర్ కూడా యాడ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి అప్పుడు n+2 అవుతుంది. యావరేజ్ ఒకటి ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఆల్రెడీ 4 ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు న్యూ యావరేజ్ ఏమవుతుంది A+5 అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మనకు n ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూస్తే ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్కి మీరు సాల్వ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ NAకి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుందండి. NA క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ NAకి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుందండి. ఓకేనమ్మా. సో ఇక్కడ LHS సైడ్ ఒకసారి మీరు చూస్తే ఇక్కడ NA ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ RHS సైడ్ కూడా NA ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ NA ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ NA ఉంటుంది, క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయిందండి. ఇక్కడ NA తీసేస్తే ఇంకేముంటుందండి ఇక్కడ మనకు. సో n × 4 4n. సో 1 × AA plus 4 is equal to 40 plus 4 is equal to 40. సో ఈ 4 అవతలకి తీసుకెళ్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే 36 అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ మనకు ఇక్కడ NAకి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే ఇక్కడ NA క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే n × 5n ప్లస్. సో నెక్స్ట్ 2 × A 2A, 2 × 5 10. 10 అవతలకు వచ్చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే 60 అవుతుంది. 2 5 is 10, 10 అవతలకు వచ్చేస్తే 60 అయిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మనకు కావాల్సిన n కదా, ఏని క్యాన్సిల్ చేద్దాం. ఏని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయడం కోసం దీన్ని 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి అమ్మా. దీన్ని 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందండి, దీన్ని 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది 8n ప్లస్ 2A is equal to 72. ఓకేనమ్మా. సో అప్పుడు 2A క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. 3n is equal to 72 నుంచి 16 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 12. n is equal to what అండి 4. Therefore in the original number how many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. Option C is the right answer. If 3 friends A, B, C are working in a company, the salary of A is 45,000 per month. C's monthly salary is 3/5 of B's monthly salary. B's monthly salary is double that of A's monthly salary. What is the total salary of ABC per month? So here we know A's salary is 45,000. A's salary is what? 45,000. So here one more thing. So B's salary is double that of A's salary. B's salary is double that of A's monthly salary. B's monthly salary is double that of A. Double that of A is nothing but 90,000. B's monthly salary is 90,000. C's salary is 3/5 of B's salary. 3/5 of 90,000. 3/5 of 90,000. 18,000 times 90,000. 18 3s are 54. 54,000 is C salary. A salary is 45,000. B salary is 90,000. 90 plus 45, 1,35,000. 1,35,000 plus 54,000. 1,89,000. So your answer is what? 1,89,000. Once again, A salary they given very clearly, that is what 45,000. B salary is double that of A salary, that is nothing but 90,000. C salary is 3/5 of B salary, so that is nothing but 3/5 of 90,000. 18,000 times 90,000. 18 3s are 54,000. So C salary is 54,000. C salary is what? 54,000. 45,000, 90,000, 1,35,000, 1,35,000 plus 54,000, 1,89,000. Your answer is what? Option C. Option C is the right answer. ఒకసారి మీరు ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్స్ని గమనిస్తే సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ క్వాంటిటేటివ్ ఆప్టిట్యూడ్ నుంచి ఒక 15 క్వశ్చన్స్, అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 15 క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినాయి. ఈ 15 క్వశ్చన్స్లో ఆల్మోస్ట్ మనకు 80 to 90% ఆఫ్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ని మనం వితౌట్ యూజింగ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ టార్గెట్ చేసాం. అంటే కొన్ని ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కొన్ని మోడరేట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కొన్ని టఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అంటే ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ని, మోడరేట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ని మీరు ఫాస్ట్గా అటాక్ చేస్తే అక్కడ సేవ్ చేసిన టైంని 1 or 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ టఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి, వాటి మీద మీరు స్పెండ్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ విధంగా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినట్లయితే ఖచ్చితంగా ఎక్కువ స్కోర్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ.